Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your macros aren't working on your Logitech G316 X keyboard. First of all, check whether your game mode is enabled. When it's enabled, many of your macros simply might not be working because some of the function keys aren't available at the moment. Disable your game mode and also make sure that you don't have any other keyboard connected to your PC. Make sure that it's the only one. You can also try reconnecting your USB cable to another USB-A port in your computer. And after that, you should also try to reinstall the G-Hub application. Now, to do this properly, we're gonna have to close the app itself. Then we have to right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then shut down all the processes related to G-Hub. Now, this would be the crashpad handler. Right-click it, select End Task, then right-click G-Hub and enter this task, and end G-Hub agent and updater. Once you have ended all of these tasks, you have to open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs menu. Once you find it, you have to open it, then scroll down to Logitech G-Hub, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Uninstall, then Confirm. And then go through the uninstallation process. Simply click Uninstall and wait for a moment. Okay, once the program is uninstalled, reinstall this application using the setup file. Once you run the setup file, click Install. Wait until this program is reinstalled on your computer. Okay, after this program is reinstalled, also check for firmware updates. First of all, in the apps settings, by clicking right here, go to Updates and check for available updates. And if you don't have any, go to Devices, go to your keyboard, then select Settings in the bottom left corner, and go to General. And if you have updates for your keyboard right here, update it right here. And after that, you should also restart your computer to make sure that the firmware updates were applied. And now check your macros once again. So go to Assignments menu, select the key you want to assign a shortcut for. Let's assign a shortcut to open the Task Manager for the Q key on your keyboard. Remap. Now let's select Assignment, Macros, Create Macro, Task Manager, no repeat. Let's start recording keystrokes. Okay, save. Confirm. Confirm. And now we press Q. It's kind of weird. Okay, I must have accidentally assigned Windows instead of Ctrl. But now if we press Q, the Task Manager will be opened. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.